Hi everyone, Patrick Johnston, GoDominicanLife.com, and of course, LasTerrenasLife.com. As you know, beach bars and beach games is what we are all about here in the Dominican Republic. And today we are at Playa Colibri. This is a very traditional apart hotel, which features condominiums for sale and for rent, short-term, long-term, and of course purchase. And they have one of the best beach bars here in the town. It's original, it's around 25 years old, it's beautiful, and I think you'd like to see it. So, what do you say? Should we go for a walk? Let's go for a walk and check it out. Yeah, you want to buy a condo? You ready to sign for that now? Okay, I'll be at the office in 3 minutes. Okay, I gotta go now. Believe it or not, in 5 minutes I'm signing a contract for a 2-bedroom condo here in the town. And I hope you enjoyed another tour of another beach bar. It'll be you soon. It doesn't take that much to buy. We can also help you finance, and we can also help you rent and manage your property. So Patrick Johnston, GoDominicanLife.com. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and give me a comment. Give me a thumbs up. Give me anything. I'd love to hear your feedback. Adios.